Hey everyone! Oh, my voice is just like not there today. So today I'm going to bring you my first project polish update of 2018. So a lot of these polishes were rolled over from last year, so if you were following last year's project polish, then some of these might be familiar, but if you watched my introduction for my 2018 rolling project polish video, you know a couple of them were about to be used up. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into those. So I ended up finishing both of the polishes. Well, some of them were rolled over, but both of these polishes are done. This was Sally Hansen Peplum, and it's all kind of settled at the bottom. It kind of looks like I still have like one application left, but my last application I thinned this out and I had to use a different purple nail polish just because I wasn't getting enough polish for enough layers. So this is done. I personally really love this color, and once I go through more of my purples, it's a color I'm definitely gonna repurchase because the undertone just really complements my skin tone. And then I also finished the Revlon Raven Red nail polish. Now again, both of these only had one application like in my intro. I just had to force myself to use them. I would not seek this color out again. I liked this color, but the longer I wore it, like the color would change to a more brownie red, and I didn't really like that, but alas, I finished it and I never have to see it again. So let's move on to the rest of the polishes. I have not used my Wet n Wild my Wet n Wild nail polish in a casting call. It's still down to here. This is a nail polish I included in last year. Since I didn't use it, there was no progress. This is my Sinful Colors Ruby Ruby. I started at the black line, and I only used it once, so it's right underneath that black line now. Not enough to make another line, but I did use this once. I really love this red color. I also only use this, I actually used this twice, but because the bottle is like very wide and square, the progress is going to be very slow. And this is the Urban Outfitters nail polish in Powder Puff. This one you can't even tell where I am, so no line for that one, so we're still going to stay with that mark. But I really love this shade so much. I have this on my toes right now. So that's a keeper. This is the Salon Perfect nail polish in Gone Sailing. This is the line where I was last time, and now I'm down to here. This nail polish literally chips the first day, and I think it's because it's a matte nail polish, so it's really like easy to put on because it dries right away and you don't have to worry about smudging. But the downside to it is that like it comes off in like huge chunks. So I'm going through this really quickly, and when I first started using this last year, it was a whole entire bottle of nail polish, so I'm about halfway now and I can see this going really fast, and I love the color. It's just, it sucks that it just chips so fast. There is that one. This is the L'Oreal nail polish in Masked Affair. This is like a very pretty holographic nail polish. I started at the line this year and now I'm down to here. This one is also a super easy one to put on. This, as the more you wear it, like it kind of shifts to a red holographic color, which I think is really cool. But if you don't have a good top coat over this, then it does tend to wear down. But it's really easy to take off and really easy to put on, which is something I admire in nail polishes. But yeah, I'll be really sad when I finish this one up, but I'm going to, I don't know, I haven't been nail polish shopping in a while just because it's not something that excites me because I have so much. But maybe once I dwindle down my nail polish collection, I might hunt this out after I finish it up. Okay, so I currently have 5 nail polishes, finished 2, so I'm going to add 2, and both of these are Sally Hansen nail polish. The first one is the Sally Hansen color. It doesn't have a color on it, I don't think. Oh, it's in Blue Blood. This is basically all the way to the top, so there's no line, and because it's so dark, I had to find a silver Sharpie so you can see the progress, but it's literally all the way to the top. I've only ever used it a couple of times, but not enough for it to, you know, be a lot of progress. And this is like super liquidy, but this says it's a matte effect, but I honestly don't remember. So that's that. And then the other one that I'm adding is the nail polish I have on my fingers right now. Again, from Sally Hansen. This is actually my second bottle of this ever, and it's 270 Lacy Lilac. I started right at the top because it was full, but because I did use it once, it's down to here where that blue line is. It is separating into like that weird like blue purple thing, but just shake it up and it's good. And this is such a gorgeous color. I am due to do my nails again, and I think I'm going to use this one because I love it so much. But those are the nail polishes. I'm back to 7. And I know this is like a short and sweet video, but yeah, if you guys are doing project polish videos, let me know how you guys are doing so I can go check it out. Project polish videos are kind of really fun to watch. And yeah, so I'll see you in about 6 weeks because I paint my nails once a week, so I need more time to make progress. And I'll see you in my next video.